न्यू वर्ड्स है जो आपको याद करने होंगे। पहले एक्सिस, एंड imaginary lines along with something spin, orbit the part of earth as it move around the sun, take tilt, not straight slanting. Hemisphere, half of the earth below or above the equator. Equinox, the 2 days in the year the sun shines directly over the equator and day and night are equal length throughout the world. Solstice, solstice are the 2 lines of the year at which the sun reaches its highest or the lowest point in dry midday, marked by longest and shortest day. अब आंसर करते हैं। द फिक्स वर्ड ऑन विद द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स इज द ऑर्बिट। द इमेजिनरी लाइन ऑन विच द अर्थ रोटेट्स, आप बताइए कौन सा होगा? एक्सिस। द टाइम टेकन बाय अर्थ टू कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन इज 365.14 days. The year in which February has extra day is leap year. The spinning of earth is called rotation. Fill in the blanks. The 2 end points of axis are called poles. The fixed path on which axis revolves around the sun is called orbit. The imaginary line along with the earth rotates is called axis. The solar axis occurs on a new moon day. Prime meridian passes through Greenwich near London. True, false. The fixed path on which Earth revolves is called pole. False. Revolution causes season. True. The Earth takes 24 hours to revolve around the sun. False. When the North Pole title 2 was there, the northern hemisphere has summer. True. When the northern hemisphere has day, the southern hemisphere has night. True. मेरिडियन, मेरिडियन का मतलब होता है मीन्स मिड डे। ग्रिड का मतलब होता है अ नेटवर्क और लाइंस फॉर्म्ड बाय लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्ग इक्वेटर। इक्वेटर का मतलब होता है इमेजिनरी लाइंस रनिंग ईस्ट टू वेस्ट। लैटिट्यूड का मतलब होता है मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ। और ग्लोब क्या है? ग्लोब का मतलब होता है डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर। उसके बाद आ जाता है आंसर इन वन वर्ड। द imaginary lines on which the earth rotate axis, the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution 365 and 1/4 day, this calls day and night rotation. This is the most important latitude, equator. This is midday. Meridian. Answer the following. What are latitude name for important latitude? Latitudes are the measurement of distance north or south equator. Its angle ranges from 0 degree at equator 90. Some important latitude: equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree, Arctic Circle 66, North Pole 90 degree north. Question 3. How are seasons caused? Explain the help of diagram. Season are caused due to the revolution of earth. आप डायग्राम पेज नंबर 21 का बना लीजिएगा. What is a leap year? How is this called? Leap year is the year when the extra day is added to the, जब एक्स्ट्रा, ये भी आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. लूनर एक्लिप्स आपको बोला जाएगा, ठीक है ना. सोलर एक्लिप्स है, ये भी आप देख लीजिएगा.